Welcome to the Porsche 718 U-turn. So where are we? Well, right now Porsche is in a strange position. For the first time in decades, it doesn't offer a brand new mid-engine sports car. The 718 Cayman and Boxster, cars that have long been the driver-focused entry point into the Porsche world, ceased production in late 2025. Now, normally a new generation would be waiting in the wings, but this time the replacement has hit some serious trouble. As we know, Porsche has planned a fully electric 718, but with EV demand softening, rising costs, and a platform built around batteries rather than petrol engines, that plan hit a wall. Now, according to Autocar, Porsche's engineers are attempting something unprecedented. They're putting petrol back into a car that was designed to be electric only. What Porsche originally wanted. For years, Porsche had a clear plan. The 718 and Cayman models would be fully electric. The next generation 718 would be the company's first fully electric sports car. And the goal was ambitious. Build an electric sports car that feels like a Porsche. Lightweight, precise, mid-engined in spirit, even if the engine was now batteries and motors. In fact, the engineers thought the electric layout might actually deliver something special. The battery sits low in the chassis, creating an ultra-low center of gravity. And because the battery pack acts as a structural part of the car, the chassis becomes incredibly rigid. On paper, that could make the electric Cayman one of the best handling sports car Porsche has ever made. What went wrong? The real world complicated that plan. EV demand has cooled in several key markets and costs have ballooned. And Porsche itself has taken a 6.65 billion euro hit in reassessing its electric strategy. Now, obviously at the same time, engineers have realized something fundamental. The PPE platform was designed around a rigid battery pack that formed the structural backbone of the platform. To take that out, the car loses a large amount of structural rigidity, which creates a massive problem. Because if Porsche wants to bring petrol back, you're not just swapping an engine for motors, you're redesigning the whole structure of the car. There's no tunnel for a drive shaft, no space for a fuel tank, no provisions for exhausts. The whole thing needs to be re-engineered. The radical new plan. So Porsche's engineers at Weissach are now attempting something extremely unusual. According to insiders, the plan involves creating a new structural floor section that bolts into the PPE's hard points to restore rigidity once the battery is removed. Then a redesigned bulkhead and subframe would support a mid-mount engine and transmission. In other words, Porsche is trying to build two completely different drivetrains on the one architecture, electric and combustion. And if they succeed, it allows Porsche to sell an electric 718 and a petrol 718 on essentially the same platform. The key engine candidate was the 4-litre flat 6 introduced in 2020, which could push 500 horsepower in a GT4 RS. What this means, if this works, the Porsche 718 will become one of the most unusual sports cars Porsche has ever produced. Not because it's electric or not because it's petrol, but because it is both. The EV version could deliver incredible chassis rigidity, instant torque, and low center of gravity. The petrol version could keep the emotional connection enthusiasts love, the sound, the revs, the flat 6 character. But getting both versions to deliver the same dynamic performance is going to be incredibly difficult. One engineer said the EV version has a huge advantage in chassis balance, but then loses out on weight. The petrol car has a huge advantage in its lightweight, emotional connection, but then loses out in performance. So the combustion engine needs to catch up dramatically, and the EV needs to go on a diet. But these two need to meet in the middle, and that challenge reveals something special. The 718 isn't just another Porsche model, it's the car that defines what a driver's Porsche should be. And currently, Porsche and its engineers are trying to figure out how that idea fits in the world of electric and petrol or both. Thanks for watching. We're trying to get you videos every week. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any. And jump online and check out our print magazine off the website, duckandwellmag.com. I'm Lee from Duck and Well Magazine, and we'll see you next time.